Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I warmly welcome all of you to Science Champion. In the previous video, we have discussed about the current. So there are two types of current flow in the history. The one is the conventional current flow and the other one is the electron flow. Earlier scientists believed that these are the protons or the positive charges that moves along the circuit that are called the conventional flow notation. So conventional current is in term of electric charges, basically positive charges that moves from the positive side of the battery to the negative side of the battery. Here is the current shown using conventional flow notation. You can see the arrow starts from the positive side of the battery and they are moving towards the negative side of the battery. But when we are talking about electron flow notation, so electron flow is the right one, as we all know that these are actually the electrons that can move because protons are positively charged and they are tightly packed. So these are actually the electrons that can move. So electrons moves from the negative terminal of the battery to the positive terminal of the battery. Electric charges, those electric charges are basically the negative charges. These are the electrons that moves from the negative side of the battery to the positive side. Here you can see current shown using electron flow notation. They are starting from the negative terminal of the battery and they are moving towards the positive side. How you can see the direction of both currents in the same circuit. You can see over there with red one is the conventional current and the blue one is the electron flow. You can see the conventional current is in clockwise direction whereas the electron current is in anti-clockwise direction, showing you that electron flow is starting from the negative side and moving towards the positive side, and conventional current is showing you that it starts from the positive side and moving towards the negative side. That's why it is in clockwise direction. This is the simple diagram showing you the movement of charges, electron flow, negative to positive, and conventional current from positive to negative. This is the circuit diagram. Now it's test time. Do it with honesty. Best of luck. Mark the direction of conventional current flow and electrical charge flow in the diagram given below. Are they in the same direction? Which direction do both the conventional current and the electrons in the circuit flow? Option A. The current and the electrons both flow in the same direction, that is clockwise. Option B. The current and the electrons both flow in the same direction, that is counterclockwise. Option C. The current and electron flow in different directions. The current flows clockwise while the electrons flow counterclockwise. Option D. The current and electrons flow in different directions. The current flows counterclockwise while the electrons flow clockwise. Attempt it. Hope you will attempt it with full honesty. Here is another one. Question 1. Which direction does the conventional current flow? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Question 2. Which direction does the electron current flow? Option 3. Explain your answer to number 1 in terms of like and opposite charges. Let V is equals to 9 volt and R1 is equals to 3 kilo ohm. Find the magnitude of the current in the circuit. In the previous video, you can watch it from my channel. We have discussed about the current regarding its formula, definition and other terms that are involved in the current. Thanks for watching this video. Jazakallahu khaira.